Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be doing another wig review for you guys today. Thank you so much to Samsbeauty for sending me this unit to review. Today, you guys, we are reviewing the Sensational Wet Lace Collection Adanna in the color 1B. This unit is so pretty. It's so pretty. When I saw this, I was like, yes, must have. For like an everyday unit, I really needed a new, like, fresh 1B unit just for like everyday wear and just something that's giving very much classic. So let's go ahead and just jump right into me unboxing and styling the unit. just me unboxing and styling the unit. I used my Got2b free spray to glue this down with my blow dryer, and then I also used my Eben lace tint in the color medium brown. And then for the baby hairs, I used just the regular Got2b spiking glue. And then I also did just kind of wipe off my forehead with just a little bit of alcohol, just to make sure there was no like extra oils or anything, because that will help it to stick, you know, lay down better. So I used that. And then you guys did see me use my hot comb as well, just on the top part to help to lay that down, because this unit does come in that like this like big parting space. Like this is the 13x6 frontal, and then your parting space in the middle, so that you can choose if you want to do like a left, right, or middle part. So you will need to use your hot comb just to kind of lay that down. So I went ahead and did a middle part. I was thinking about doing a right side part because that's just like my go-to, but when I was parting it and like playing with the curls and stuff, they just weren't falling the way that I needed them to fall. So I was just like, you know what, middle part it is. And I actually love it. I rarely wear a middle part, but I just think it looks bomb. It looks bomb. And I think I did my baby hairs like so much better today, so I am really excited about that as well. So let me go ahead and tell you guys about the specs of the unit. So the unit you guys did see was longer than this when I first started. I did cut it. This is the hair right here, so I probably cut at least 2 inches, if not a little more. To me, like, it was just giving very much thin on the ends, and I just don't like that look. I would prefer it to be just like a blunt cut and just like nice and full right here. So that's why I went ahead and cut it. I think it looks a lot better this way personally. And then as far as the cap size, you guys, the cap size on this unit is amazing. If you have a big head, or you just have a lot of hair, you have thick hair, whatever, go get this one. Get it in multiple colors because you need it. I promise you. This cap is so comfortable. I absolutely love it. Like, this is so great for just regular everyday wear. Like, sometimes if you get a unit and it's kind of snug, you're like, okay, I could deal with it for like a few hours, but you know, not all day. But this one, A1, okay? And I'm not using the adjustable straps either. So if you do have a smaller head, you can of course use the adjustable straps to make it a little more snug. And then if you don't need to use the adjustable straps. You can just put it on just like this. And it does come with those 3 combs. You guys saw one here, and then one kind of like in the middle part here, and then one at the nape of the neck, along with your adjustable straps, of course. So yes, the texture of this unit is like a silky, yucky texture. It's not really silky, but it is soft. Like, it's like a nice, soft, yucky feeling kind of natural unit. It's not rough or anything by any means. It feels really nice. So I like that a lot. And this is the HD lace. I don't know if I mentioned that already or not, but y'all, the HD lace on the synthetic units, it's really giving. It's really giving. Like, the HD lace is just, it really makes a difference. Truly. So I'm really happy about that. I love it. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns about everything, definitely leave it in the comment section down below. Don't forget this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, sis, because why not, you know? And I will definitely see y'all in my next video. Bye.